Telescoping ladders, the first patent for telescoping ladders was created in the 1890s. Currently we have 84 patents in 22 countries right now. One of our core beliefs is about the quality of the product. And we will not compromise on the quality of the which starts with the raw materials. Only purchasing the best raw materials for the job. We don't compromise on that. We don't know how to make a good product out of cheap materials. We're fortunate to working with Embraer on their first, which is a Brazilian aircraft manufacturer, on their first military aircraft. For airplane use, you need absolutely beyond the highest quality because they have regulations that go beyond any normal use regulations, temperatures, that type of thing. And that's taught us a lot. And working with them has taught us a lot. Working with airplane testing and creating testing for airplanes for these types of ladders has really pushed us and made us better and made our products better.